MEP project management is the backbone of a building's functionality and occupant comfort. It's the intricate dance of planning, coordinating, and executing the mechanical, HVAC, plumbing, etc., electrical, lighting, power distribution, etc., and plumbing, water supply, drainage, etc., systems throughout a construction project's lifecycle. An MEP project manager acts as the conductor of this orchestra, ensuring these critical systems work together seamlessly, meet stringent building codes, and are installed within budget and on a tight schedule. Core responsibilities. Harmony with design. An MEP project manager collaborates closely with architects and engineers to ensure the MEP design integrates flawlessly with the overall building design. This involves identifying potential clashes between MEP systems and architectural elements early on, preventing costly rework down the line. Budgeting and scheduling finesse. Managing project budgets is a crucial aspect. MEP project managers meticulously estimate costs associated with materials, labor, and equipment, and then strategically control spending to stay within budget. They also develop detailed schedules for MEP system installations, ensuring all tasks are completed on time without delays that could ripple through the entire construction process. Communication is key. Effective MEP project management hinges on excellent communication and collaboration. The project manager acts as a bridge between various stakeholders, including architects, structural and civil engineers, MEP subcontractors, and the general contractor. They facilitate regular meetings, maintain open communication channels, and address any conflicts or challenges that arise to keep the project moving forward smoothly. Code compliance and safety. Building codes and safety standards are paramount. MEP project managers ensure that all MEP systems comply with these regulations, guaranteeing the safety and well-being of building occupants, as well as adherence to energy efficiency mandates. Beyond efficiency, the benefits, the ripple effects of effective MEP project management extend far beyond just on-time and on-budget project delivery. Reduced risk. By proactively identifying and mitigating potential issues during the design and planning stages, MEP project management significantly reduces the risk of errors, delays, and costly rework during construction. Sustainability champion. Modern MEP project management practices incorporate sustainable design principles. This can involve specifying energy-efficient equipment, optimizing system layouts to minimize energy consumption, and integrating renewable energy sources where possible. These measures contribute to a building's overall sustainability, lowering operational costs and environmental impact. By orchestrating the MEP symphony, MEP project managers play a vital role in ensuring the successful construction of functional, safe, and sustainable buildings. Check description for more.